Okay, so that last video probably exceeded the time limit on a single video. So the slipper pad that grips the spur gear and determines whether, it's gripping or slipping. So I like to use a microfiber cloth to clean stuff up, doesn't leave lint and dust behind, and really grabs that dirt, cleans it well. So I'm gonna just clean it up a little bit. Maybe use some, I don't know what the policy is on alcohol on rubber, but it should clean it and not leave any oils or anything behind. Clean up that pad. Yeah, not so discolored. And I'm sure a little alcohol didn't destroy it. So now that right there, this front side of the slipper, if nobody ever showed you and there was only diagrams, that has a hole. I don't know if it's focused, but there's a hole in there that first pin went in. It holds that pad on the front side. And when we remove this one, there's going to be a pin on the back side. So let me put that in the safe zone. Back on the rest. Pull it off. Now let's see if we can see that. It put a wicked groove in there. That is pitted. Sharp edges and grooved out in the middle. I absolutely ruined that spur gear. Okay. So you can see there, how did it fall out? Is the back side of the slipper pad, and that is held in by that pin. If you can see it, there's a pin running vertically through there. So you got to keep up with your pins and your parts. There's a pin sticking out of that axle. Pin right there. Rotate it horizontal so it doesn't fall out. Maybe you can see that. Okay, pin right there. So keep up with that and see that's notched for a pin that holds onto that pad. So we'll go back side, front side, facing that way. And I'll stop here because I've got to get a new spur that I purchased some time back. And I'll order some upgraded metal ones to replace it. So while it'll never strip again, it may destroy the differential gears. I'll probably save up and grab a couple extra of those, but in the building process, I open up the differential cup and the gears, degrease them, clean them, re-grease them, and shim them tighter against the spur or pinion gear inside of there, shim them tight against it, and rebuild it. So whenever I crack open a new one of these cars, it gets totally rebuilt completely, and all the screws tightened, Loctited, and then upgraded to brushless. So I'll pause this video and come back when I'm replacing the spur gear.